How to log out of Zoho Mail application on your smartphone. Maybe you are switching accounts, handing your phone to a friend, or just love that satisfying feeling of a fresh start. Whatever brings you here, we've got your back. Logging out of Zoho Mail is super simple. First of all, launch open the Zoho Mail application on your smartphone. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the settings button at the bottom right corner, and then from the settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on sign out. Before signing out, make sure you remember your credentials. After tapping the sign out button, click on sign out once again in the pop-up and you'll be signed out of your Zoho Mail app. You can sign in anytime you want by entering your credentials next time. The app will return to the login screen, fresh and ready for whoever comes next. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.